going to go out for a picnic and do our Earth Day celebration. It's part of the Earth Day collab, but we have run into just a little snag that's really going to slow things down. Wait till you see what just happened. This video is part of an Earth Day Picnic Collab to celebrate Earth Day. I'm going to go over the channels, but I'm linking them all down below because you're going to want to visit. We have Faerianna Vlogs. She does some cooking and some weight loss. We have Valerie Reese, who does some travel and home videos. Candytheweeservicedog. Her channel is all about her service dog. Happy Trails Hiking. If you're going someplace, they've either been there or will go there. Keeping It Real, who does a homesteading and some Keeping It Real videos. And we have Overcoming the Obstacles. Each of these channels are listed below, so make sure you go by and say hello. So let me tell you about my picnic attempt. It was a dark and stormy night. Oh wait, wrong story. So you may be wondering why a picnic collab for Earth Day. And that's because it's one of the activities that you can do at home. Easy to put together. Not mine though. Mine was one of those Earth Day activities that almost didn't happen. This is my husband's air compressor. We like the air compressor. It's a good air compressor. And this is the air compressor hose. And this would be my husband.
Hello.
My husband is putting air in my tire.
Yep.
Because we found this unhappy surprise when we went to leave a few minutes ago. We don't know what happened to cause the tire to go flat, of course, but we're going to find out because now instead of going on our picnic like we had hoped to, there's going to be a slight delay because we got to go 30 minutes at minimum to get to Walmart. And thank goodness for the road hazard warranty that we have on the tires. So if anybody ever wonders why I get my tires at Walmart and Sam's, well, it's because of things like this. Because wherever I am, I can usually get to a Sam's or a Walmart TLE and get it all figured out. While hubby's finishing up with that, he asked me to call Walmart and make sure they're open. It's Tire and Lube. It's got to be open. Because I would think car repair is going to be essential, but make him happy. I'm just going to call and check.
Local Walmart. We appreciate your business and look forward to the opportunity to serve you in our stores. Our store hours have changed. Most stores are open from 7 a.m. to 8:30 p.m.
We should be fine.
Services are closed until further notice, but please check your store page.
No, I did not hear that. No. Okay, I couldn't have heard. I'm going to call them back and get this recording again. I did not hear that this
Calling your local Walmart. We appreciate your business and look forward to the opportunity to serve you in our stores.
So good.
Our store hours have changed. Most stores are open from 7 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. and our auto care services are closed until further notice. But please check your store page on Walmart.com for more details on your specific store hours. Due to a large demand in products, associates are unable.
Oh, this is not good. Oh no. Hey, honey. Just called Walmart and they said bring it on in. So we're here. What we did was I called and I talked to a live person and they said to go ahead and bring the car in because I explained to them what was going on. I told them that it was a warranty issue and I told them, I said, if you guys can't honor this, then where do I go for the warranty work? I said, that's really all I need to know. And so come to find out, the crew is here, but all of the technicians are working in different parts of the store so they can get their hours in. So we just had to come over here and bring the car. They're going to look at it. We're waiting on somebody to come out that's with Tire and Lube, and they're going to look at it, and hopefully they can fix it. They've explained it to me that they can't always fix a tire. It depends on where the item is, but we're under warranty. The tires only have, I don't know, 3,000, 4,000 miles on them, so there should be plenty of warranty left. All I know is wait it out, and we'll wait for the tech to come out and see what he says. Good thing I had the masks in the car. While I was here, I picked up a couple of things that we needed. These Easter buckets, I don't know if you can see those. I'm actually going to use these as planters. 39 cents each as opposed to $3.97 for about the same size. Now to go to the car where hubby's dealing with it and get this picnic going. Well, that looks a lot better. Walmart did fix the tire. All we had to do was come in and call them once we got in here, and they had a guy come out and he looked at it, decided the tire could be fixed, and it was even under warranty, so we didn't have to pay a thing. And they were super nice about it, which is great. So I guess our next trick is going to be to go find lunch and see what we're going to do for a picnic. What do you think?
Lunch is good.
Thank you for loading this stuff.
Oh, you're welcome. Glad to do it.
Here we go. Picnic is actually Arby's in the car. And why are we in the car? Because it's raining. Because like everything else we planned, it went out the window. None of our plans today.
Our day is not as we planned.
Yes, no, not at all.
That's all right.
Win some, lose some, and some just get rained out. Yeah. But, you know, still a fun day. Happy Earth Day, everybody. Yes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like the video if you haven't already. And hey, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss any of our videos. They're too cool to miss, aren't they?
No, they're good. Yeah.
See? Yeah, we agree. They're good. So, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Always, hashtag be Bodacious. Don't let life or rain get in the way of living, and I will see you on the next video. Bye. Bye. Check out these channels and videos that are popping up on the screen right now. And have yourself a bodacious Earth Day today.